name is Tony Cuchillo. I'm the CEO at Buymore, and normally I like to abbreviate that to Chief Everything Officer as opposed to Chief Executive Officer, because the reality of being in a startup means that you are wearing multiple hats at any given point, and it's really a balancing act. What that means is at any one given point, you have to focus on product, you have to focus on sales, you have to focus on support, you have to focus on business development, and it really is a balancing act being the lead in a startup. My day-to-day roles include working with and managing the sales and business development teams. My task there is to ensure that on a day-to-day basis, we are consistently growing our customer base. And at the same time, I also work with the support teams, and their key mandate is to make sure that customers that are using our products have a great time using our product. They enjoy using our product. So everything that they do, and then I work closely with them to help them achieve their goals, is really to make sure that customers are satisfied with the product that we're giving to them. They're having a great experience of using the product, and it's solving their day-to-day needs. Lastly, I also work with the engineering team, and my role there is really just to make sure that products that they are developing, products that they are building, and the products that they are churning out are actually usable products that meet the day-to-day needs of our customers.
My name is John Adams, and I'm CTO and co-founder at Buymore. I like to call myself Chief Troubleshooting Officer instead of Chief Technology Officer. The reason being, sometimes I find myself helping out the different, either the business team or the technical team, on doing different kinds of roles. In my role, I'm responsible for product development and also managing the engineering team, which consists of a web developer, an API developer, and an Android developer. Part of what I generally do involves coming up with a system architecture from both the product and the infrastructure side. On top of that, I also oversee the UX and UI process, and my aim is to ensure that at all times, our customers have great user experience using our product. When you look at the current Buymore products, you realize that our customers really have fun using them. This comes at a great cost, because it means we need to continuously improve the user experience, and therefore, being part of CTO, it also means that I ensure our product is designed with a simplicity, but also with a high level of sophistication that is required to meet our current customers' demands.
Buymore is a tech startup that provides mobile and mini ERP solutions to micro merchants to enable them to capture their sales, to capture their expenses, manage inventory, determine their profit margins. And as they're doing this, it enables them to generate data that they can use to run analytics, and they can use to be able to get access to credit financing. So we've come to the field where we will show you one of the merchants who's using our product. And as a team, we are very customer-centric, and that means that we put the customer at the center of everything that we do. We strive to produce and provide products to them that makes their day-to-day life easier. And one of the segments that we're very keen on as a technology company is the micro retail space. So the micro retail space, in that we are targeting small dookers who on average make roughly $50, $60 a day, and they play a critical role in getting day-to-day products to millions of Kenyans. So our product enables them to better manage their business, to better operate their business. And so welcome, and he's one of the guys you'll interact with.
Yangu naitwa Penina Karemi. Hii nduka yangu inaitwa The Hope Mini Shop, na niko na 33 years old, na tangu nipate hii POS imekuwa imenisaidia sana, kwa sababu mbeleni singejua kutofautisha kama ninapata faida ama loss, lakini saa hii tangu hii POS ikuje imenisaidia sana, kwa sababu kitu ya kwanza nimeweza ku make sales. Nikimake sales ninaweza jua faida yenye nimepata. Alafu kitu ingine imenisaidia kujua ile stoko yenye niko nayo. Juu mbeleni singejua stoko yenye niko nayo kwa shop yangu, singejua iko kiasi gani. Alafu tena nikitaka kuweka sales kwa hiyo POS, imenisaidia kwa sababu ninajua faida yenye ninapata nikiuza kila kitu. Kitu ingine nayo hata ninaweka mandatas kwa hiyo POS kwa sababu saa zingine nilikuwa ninaandika kwa karatasi. Nikienda kuitafuta mahali niliandika mtu, hiyo karatasi pengine imepotea. Lakini tangu nipata hii POS imenisaidia sana kwa sababu ninaweka hizi mandatas hapo. Mtu akikuja nina confirm, ninaona alikuwa na deni ya pesa ngapi. Alafu hiyo kitu ingine nayo imenisaidia sana kwa sababu hata wakati kitu imeisha kwa duka, nikienda pale niangalie, ninaona inaniindicatea red. Kwa hivyo ninajua hiyo stock yangu inapungua, kwa hivyo ninakimbia kwa wholesaler, ninaendea ingine.
My name is Maureen Onsase. I operate as the operations support. My experience with the shop owners has been quite interesting. The shop owners have expected a lot from us, and for the shops that have been in part of Nairobi, like Githurai, Mwiki, Dandora, Kariobangi, so they are able to use the application, capturing sales, able to see their sales record, keying in data, at the same time remove, and then stock, they are able to add stock, remove stock, change prices, buying and selling, and then they are able to determine their gross profit at the end of the day.